So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from.
Hello guys, welcome to my Yacht Habit channel. Today we're gonna be doing a reaction to where they at though. Think memes, and my name is Jeff Memes, cause I love memes. Oh my god, I love memes. So yeah, let's play that shit.
I got hella hoes. Where they at?
Where they at though? Ming, Bank,
It's
Ming.
hoes giving head to everybody.
Oh, funny meme.
Where they at though? What they say I got two black eyes. Where they at though? Where they at though?
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is very funny. Hot. Gets me every time. Am I right, my niggas?
Where they at though?
Oh my god.
They said they made
Oh my
pineapples.
god, I love naps.
Where they at though?
My name's Chef. Oh, and that's the end of the video. As you guys could not tell, I'm a what they call it? I'm a webbaboo. I'm a webbaboo. As you can tell, I like collecting shorts and anime and body pillows. 2 minutes done already. Today's gonna be a long ass video. What up, kids? I don't like showing my face on the internet. You know, it's technically a face reveal, but I just felt it was appropriate time, you know. And I got tired of wearing this fucking mask all the time. It's just gay. I will be using this mask though, no lie. I'll be using it for like comedic relief. So if you're wondering if it's gonna leave, it's staying. And by the way, what name should we give this shit? This character right here. Cause I don't know what fucking character to give it. So yeah. Shit, I've basically done everything on YouTube now, huh? I've done a face reveal. I made a video, and yeah, that's basically everything I do need to do on YouTube pretty much to make it. You already know. We have a video from this guy right here, okay? This fucker, he apparently did I guess a rant on reactions. 8OWSER16 and BOOZLED. You already know, those are my homies. I did rants on them before, but we don't care. What the fuck is this intro?
What's up? This is Reaction Master 26 here, and today we're gonna be making a very hard video to make, a reaction video. So let's deal with, watch this video. It's called Overwatch Boy by some.
By the way, for asking, is this the reaction? No. Start the shit.
So, reaction videos, they're trash, right? They don't even work. They just steal other people's videos. And the reason why I'm making this video is not because like someone stole my video. It's because recently I've seen 2 YouTube channels who are growing and being popular only because they're reaction channels. Well, one of them is like 99% reaction, and the other 1% is his own actual content, which gets like only like 1/30th of the views that his reaction videos get. It's called 8OWSER16, but it's supposed to be called BOOZLED16. But he uses an 8 because he's a savage. He's a savage.
Bro, who's 8OWSER16? I don't even know him. I'm just playing.
Okay.
Of course I know him.
How do I turn off this Mobison? Anyway, and his friend,
he's a savage
BOOZLED,
kid.
he started doing the same thing, and it's kind of getting annoying to see how their channels literally became popular and are still becoming popular.
Who's BOOZLED? Who's that fucking nerd?
Because they're just stealing other people's content. And even shut up. Anyways,
Don't dislike the video or I'll find you and rip you in your mom's house. Okay? But seriously, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun shit, and share too, cause like I'm so irrelevant. But yeah, so I guess bye guys. Oh yeah, and expect a rant coming soon.
Them directly to you, that's a whole other level.